What's up guys? It's about 6:30 in the morning. Today we have a special day. I'm gonna go pick up this huge stained glass cabinet that I found on Craigslist. So it's a special Craigslist find today. But let's get on the road, let's get going, and I'll tell you guys more about it. We're crossing the Bay Bridge. It's gonna take about 2 hours. We're going east to a place called Oakdale, California. So basically I was searching on Craigslist, trying to find some stained glass supplies or stained glass scraps that people are trying to get rid of. So basically this person is getting rid of everything they own in stained glass, and it looks to me like they are a full-time stained glass artist or a crafts person. So I'm just really happy that they're handing all this stuff off to someone like me who's getting started. I'm just super excited to get there and find out. I just want to see what they have. I want to know more about them. Who are they? How did they get started in stained glass? How long have they been doing this for? I've never talked to a stained glass artist before. Hopefully we have some time to chat about their life, their adventures into this whole stained glass world. So I'm really curious about that. So let's hope that they'll let us do some recording, and then I can share that with you guys. Oh man, we're going through cow country. Somewhere like past Tracy. Alright, it's smelling, okay, it's gone. It's kind of there, but it's kind of gone. Just trying not to breathe. Manteca, that's where we are. We are about 30 minutes away. So we're going to this place called Oakdale, California. More like 2 hours drive from San Francisco. So this is a big commitment, and I'm hoping that, you know, they have everything that they said they would. I'm pretty sure they do. I don't think I am worried about it. Yeah, I'm just ready to go see this. I just want to meet them and say hello. Oh, it's so foggy out here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's super foggy. We're in like the vineyards. We've got the orange groves. We've got 19 more minutes, 20 more minutes to go. We're almost there. Hang tight. I'm seeing nurseries, farm stands. A lot of farms out here, heirloom tomatoes, some wood for sale. Okay, we're just going through the country. This is kind of fun. Driving along with the railroad tracks here. All right, quick pit stop. Got some Airheads. Let's get going. Oakdale, California. Here we come. I haven't had these in so long. No breakfast and eating some Airheads in the morning. Really smart. Can't use the restroom without buying something, right? Oh wow, these are really good. Highly recommend it. Okay, that's good for now.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto...
We're pulling up to the neighborhood. We're almost here, guys. Ooh, I think we're here. I think we're here. All right.
Your destination is on the left.
We're here.
I did 5 on it.
Stained glass DIY.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
Stained glass?
Stained glass DIY. Do it
DIY,
yourself.
remember that? Stained glass DIY, do it yourself.
Yeah.
Stained glass, do it yourself. Go on YouTube and you could see the film.
Yeah. I'll put this in there.
Okay.
It's embarrassing.
I won't film you. Whoa.
See, I don't know what
This is so cool.
that door situation is. Yeah, it's cool. I don't know that it's all labeled correctly.
Oh, that's fine.
I might have
changed that. It's
I
not a
might have
problem.
tried to move some things around.
What happened to this guy?
I have no idea.
Oh, it came.
Became
You got it like that.
including
Okay.
the missing.
Yeah.
You know, in fact, one of like you might dig them up somewhere, but like there's one.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You just kind of have everything in here.
Like I said, it was a plan we had, but I'm deciding to do woodworking instead.
There's a lot of things to do in life.
Doing like restorations of instruments. And
They're called Kyoto?
I think they're called
Yeah.
Kyotos.
See them right there, but they go.
Oh, that's so cool.
And I just find old dilapidated things that people are practically throwing out and try to restore them.
I'll start taking out the drawers.
Okay, I'll
get
help
all
you.
the bed and everything. Okay, I forgot my money. We're going to an ATM. Did you guys see the garage sale? He has so much stuff, but most importantly, we're just gonna get our stained glass. Let's go back and get our stuff. All right, guys, we finished up everything. That was a lot of move. It was so much stuff. I couldn't believe all the glass that was inside those drawers. We have 25 drawers, actually missing one. The rest of them basically had so much glass in it. Let's get back on the road and I'll tell you guys more of what I just picked up right now. Wow, what a find. So I talked to Chris and wanted to see if I can ask him about how he got started in stained glass. Before I even got to record, he mentioned that he does not do it. He wanted to start, he wanted to buy it for his kids, for them to get into the craft. They never got into it and it just kind of sat there, and so that's why he's getting rid of it. Also, it turns out he got this from a school, was getting rid of the program. Basically, this was the stock that they had for the entire class, I'm imagining, which means that we have so much glass to work with. I don't think I need to go buy glass anymore. So if I do go to a store, please stop me from buying more glass. One thing you gotta know, I'm looking at the strap right now and it's vibrating a lot. One tip that you need to do that I forgot to do, this is a rookie mistake, is to twist the straps so the wind cuts it and it won't vibrate. Looking okay right now. If it gets worse, I'll pull over and fix that. So anyhow, he was super nice. It was really good to meet him. And Chris, if you're listening to this, really appreciate what you had here. Really appreciate you handing this off for someone who's getting started. It just means a lot. I'm really thankful that I did find this and have met you. So thank you very much. So now we have to get back and I want to drop this off. For sure, it's not coming into my apartment. I have a studio in San Francisco. We can barely fit like a shoe rack in there. So this cabinet definitely will not fit in it. We're gonna be dropping this off at my work. We'll have some split space there. This is gonna be a ton of work today. So it's gonna take me a couple more hours, basically all day for getting this thing. But it's totally worth it. And I'm getting pretty tired from that move. That was some hard work. No, not some ice cream. Let's go find some food and let's eat some breakfast. Oh, there's a Taco Bell. No. Taco truck ahead. Should we do that? No, I want to sit down. I want to wash my hands. I want to go to the restroom. No, no taco truck. We'll pass on that. Sorry. Hopefully there's some food coming up. I really need to eat. Maybe that taco stand was a good idea. Sometimes you shouldn't pass things up. I just saw a taqueria. Let's do that.
300 feet, turn right onto Take the next right onto Hyannis Circle.
Just trying to eat something. Let's get to this taco shop. Let's go. Can I get the regular burrito? All right, my tummy's full, so satisfied. Almost sleepy actually, but we're gonna head back home now. Let's get back on the road. It's probably gonna be about 2 hours, an hour and a half maybe. It's probably about an hour and a half to get home. I'll map it out. Let's do that. Got my Airheads for dessert. I'm enjoying this so much. This is so good. Kids, don't buy this. All right, you guys, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my Airheads. We're gonna drive forever, and I'll see you guys back at home. Well, I'm back. I'm getting sleepy, so I wanted to chat with somebody so I don't fall asleep while I'm driving. So thanks for sticking with me, guys. And I did just remember that I was supposed to go over all the stuff that I had picked up. I'm not sure if I covered any of that. My mind's kind of a blur from the move, and I just wanted to get it all finished quickly. So the cabinet is all good. It's missing one drawer, and it's missing some handles, but that's not a big deal. I can go get some more handles. Maybe replace the cabinet drawer, maybe not. It doesn't matter, it's just one. And then we have glass. Some glass pieces are as big as the drawers. I couldn't believe it. I've really never seen sheets that big. Well, I've seen them, but I've never personally bought them that big. That's a bonus. We've got some big glass sheets in different colors, pattern, all types of like cathedral see-through, opalescent, non-see-through glass. I'll have to lay it out and pull out the drawers and show you guys all that. And then there are some clear glass as well, a bigger sheet that would fit in the drawers. I got some clear glass from there. There's also some mirrors that also would fit in the drawers. There's, I think, 3 sheets. So for sure we'll try some mirrored stained glass piece in the future. Okay, so that should cover the glass. There are 2 boxes. One of the box has lead came in it. Lead came is the lead channel that goes around the edge of the glass. You don't use copper foil, so you wrap the lead came around the glass pieces, then you solder those joints, and then you have kind of like a frame for the glass. But I haven't done any of that work before, so that's definitely something to explore as well. And then we have the last box with all types of glass cutters, some soldering irons, liquids like flux, patina. I didn't really get a chance to look at what exactly was in that box. Maybe we'll get to do some unboxing afterwards. So yeah, that's it. All that stuff, all the move. What a day. It's a great productive day for me. This is an exciting day for me. So I'm super happy. I can't even imagine what stuff we can do with it yet. We'll make a lot of stained glass from this for sure. It's an easy drive home. I'm gonna put some podcasts on right now. So see you guys in a bit. Stained glass storage cabinet full of glass. Thank you guys for joining me today on this journey in getting this treasure, and let's do some unboxing next time and check out all the drawers and all the boxes and everything inside. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.